Hi friends, in last session we have seen how to create a Windows server and install IIS on the Windows server. In today's session, let's see how to create a Linux machine and how to access it. Log into Azure portal, go to the virtual machines. This is a Windows VM which I have created earlier. Let's go ahead and create Azure virtual machine. The subscription and resource group. Let me I can use the same resource group, virtual machine, VM name, can select the region, go with the default availability zones as just this is a test server. In images, we will select as Ubuntu. Now select the size. Click on the password, enter ID and password, confirm the password. Okay. For RDP into the Linux machine, we use port 22, which is SSH. And let's select port 80 as well, because we're going to install Nginx. Rest of the options would be same. I will create a new virtual network. Should, should give address space and subnets. Let me see if the address range given to the other server. 10.0. Okay. Okay, for here, let me use 1. Okay. Sub 1 address range. If you remember, we should give address range here as /24 because it is a subnet. Okay. It will assign IP address, public IP address automatically by default. Ports are selected. Okay, good. Let's click on management, monitoring. Okay, advanced. So we are going with the default options. Let's validate the machine. Okay, create. So this is costing 75 paisa for 1 hour. Because the size of this server is very low. I'm taking 1 vCPU, 1 RAM. If you have seen Windows, I have selected some 2 vCPUs and 4 GB RAM. That is the reason it costed more compared to Ubuntu. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Compared to Windows, Ubuntu will get deployed faster. Okay, click on go to resource, okay, IP address. By default, we'll be getting RDP option for Windows, but for Linux, you need to download T. So click on the first link. So check the appropriate download putty. I already have putty, so I will just okay. So this is the public IP address of the server. I'm setting the port. Click on open, accept it, login as admin. Okay. I will try to log in as sudo user administrator. So I'll update the machine to the latest patches. If you see the current if we browse the current IP address, it doesn't show anything because we didn't install any web application. So let's go ahead and install the web application. It got updated. Okay, have to install Nginx. Yes. It's almost done. Okay, you can see it now here. So it got refreshed. So welcome to Nginx. We can use the server as web server. So in today's session, we have seen how to create a Linux machine from Azure portal and how to access it using SSH and how to install Nginx on the server.